Did you know most engine damage happens before you even start driving? Yep, over 70% of engine wear happens during cold starts. That means what you do in the first 60 seconds could make or break your engine's future. You might be unknowingly shaving years off your engine's life just by how you start your car in the cold. But don't worry, you are about to learn how to stop the damage before it starts. Today, we are diving into 4 cold start mistakes that quietly destroy engines and how you can avoid them. Stick around, because fixing just one of these could save you thousands in repair bills. Fire number 1. Revving right after start. You hop in, turn the key, and vroom. Feels good, right? Wrong. Revving your engine right after a cold start is like sprinting before you've stretched. Your oil is still thick, hasn't reached vital parts like the pistons or crankshaft, and metal-on-metal friction is brutal. This one habit can cause internal scoring, damaged seals, and even warped parts. Instead, let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds. Give the oil time to circulate and protect the parts that keep your car alive. Warning sign number 2. Flooring the gas. Too soon. Think of cold starts like waking up. You wouldn't jump out of bed and run a marathon, would you? Hard acceleration on a cold engine stresses unlubricated parts and burns fuel inefficiently. Plus, the richer fuel mix during startup can leave carbon deposits behind, robbing you of power and lifespan. Just ease into it. Drive gently until your engine warms up. Smooth today, strong tomorrow. Electric light bulb number 3. Many start attempts. Click, click, click. You keep trying. And now your starter motor's cooked, your battery's drained, and your engine's still silent. Repeated start attempts cause serious strain on your electrical system, especially in the cold. If your engine won't start after 3 to 4 tries, stop. Investigate. It could be a weak battery or ignition issue, not something brute force can fix. No entry sign number 4. Skipping the idle. Running late? We get it. But if you rush off right after a cold start, you regrinding metal with barely any lubrication. Not good. Idling gives your oil time to flow and your engine time to stabilize. This quick pause protects your bearings, reduces fuel waste, and helps your engine breathe easier.